Alright, so today I'm gonna be helping Dad out, get some materials out to a remote cabin build. It's about a 27-mile drive out the old logging roads.
There goes a bear.
Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them. One right there, there's some cubs.
Would that be considered a big bear?
No, that one's probably a 2-year-old. And because it's with its sibling, they probably just got booted by their mother. Unless that's the mother back in the trees. I see another bear back in there. It laid down right there. It's just chilling. This is a deer call. It's basically just a wood with a piece of rubber band in it, and it puts out a high-pitched sound like a it's like a fawn, like what a fawn would be calling to its mother. And when you do that, the mother's instinct is to come and find that fawn, and you reunite with it and take it off, and and so even a doe that has lost, that the fawn has grown up and gotten out of the house, so to speak, the doe will still come back and try to mother other fawns, and so you can pull them in. I just saw another deer. There's the second one that came in, and then while you're during buck season, when a buck hears this deer call, he'll be interested also because he'll know that there's probably does around, and he's interested in the does, and so when you blow the deer call, the bucks come too sometimes.
On your shoulder. If you could get those three off for us, it'd be good.
Well, I mean, since I'm here, I could back down there and we could try to shuffle a few of them into the boat. At least save you some work for today anyway. Like those big beams, those are pretty heavy.
No, I think we'll take it in loads from here.
Yeah.
We'll float the big ones and then we'll just move the rest by boat. I think it'll go pretty good.
Stretch your backs out, boys.
Yeah.
Oh, got your work cut out for you.
Yeah, we do.
They've got probably at least 5,000 pounds worth of building materials to get to their cabin site, and right now it's low tide. They're going to be dealing with the tides. If they take everything over there on high tide, then it saves them a lot of work. The water lets the boat get way closer to the cabin build site. So they're going to be working with the tide, trying to make trips, multiple trips back and forth from the dock to their cabin to get all those materials there. So we're just gonna let them work on that for a while and see how far they get.